Imagine waking up one day to thicker, fuller hair, even if you've struggled with baldness for years. Scientists have discovered a molecule that could activate dormant hair follicles, potentially reversing hair loss. This breakthrough isn't just hype, it's rooted in cutting-edge research, and it could transform hair restoration as we know it. Today, I'll explain how it works, why it's so promising, and what you can do now to protect your hair while science catches up. 1. Why hair loss happens. Hair loss affects millions of people worldwide, both men and women. But why does it happen? Hair follicles go through cycles of growth, rest, and shedding. Over time, some follicles enter a dormant state, meaning they stop producing hair even though they remain in your scalp. This is why hair loss can continue for years, even with good diet and care. Traditional treatments like minoxidil and finasteride help some people, but results are often slow, inconsistent, or temporary. That's why this new discovery is so exciting. It targets the root cause instead of just managing symptoms. 2. The molecule, how it works. Researchers identified a molecule that works as a wake-up signal for dormant follicles. Hair follicles rely on complex chemical signals to know when to grow. In cases of hair loss, those signals are disrupted. This molecule essentially flips the switch back on. In lab studies, dormant follicles that hadn't produced hair for months reactivated and began generating new hair strands. This is huge because it's not just slowing hair loss, it's potentially reversing it entirely. 3. Real-world implications. Think about what this means. Millions of people struggle with thinning hair and baldness, which can impact confidence and quality of life. If this molecule works in humans like it does in lab studies, it could provide a permanent solution, reducing the need for hair transplants, expensive treatments, or invasive procedures. It's a game changer, and the research is advancing quickly. Clinical trials could make it available in the next few years. 4. Practical steps you can take today. While we wait for this molecule to hit the market, there are science-backed steps you can take to keep your hair follicles healthy. Nutrition. Focus on protein-rich foods, iron, zinc, and biotin. These nutrients are essential for healthy hair growth. Think eggs, salmon, spinach, and lentils. Scalp care. Regular scalp massages improve blood flow, helping deliver nutrients directly to your follicles. Manage stress. Chronic stress triggers hormones that can shut down follicles. Practices like meditation, yoga, or even daily walks can protect your hair. Avoid harsh treatments. Excessive heat, tight hairstyles, and chemical treatments weaken hair follicles and accelerate shedding. By combining these strategies, you give your follicles the best chance to stay active and ready for breakthroughs like this molecule. 5. Supporting follicle activation. Naturally. Some natural compounds may also support hair follicle activation. Studies suggest green tea catechins can reduce hormone-driven follicle damage. Niacin, vitamin B3, promotes blood flow to the scalp. Antioxidant-rich foods, like berries and leafy greens, protect follicles from oxidative stress, one of the major causes of hair miniaturization. These won't replace the molecule, but they create a healthier environment for your follicles to thrive. 6. The future of hair restoration. This discovery of a hair follicle off switch represents one of the most promising breakthroughs in decades. It's a potential permanent solution, unlike current treatments that only slow hair loss. And when combined with proper nutrition, scalp care, and stress management, you can maximize your chances of hair regrowth and maintain healthy follicles as we wait for the molecule to become available. Baldness may not be permanent anymore. Science is closer than ever to reactivating dormant hair follicles, giving millions a chance at thicker, healthier hair. The takeaway? Take care of your scalp, nourish your follicles, and stay informed on breakthroughs, because hair restoration may finally have a real solution. If this video opened your eyes to the future of hair restoration, hit like, subscribe, and share it with someone struggling with hair loss. Comment below, what's your go-to strategy for keeping your hair healthy? Stay tuned to Wellboost for more science-backed health breakthroughs.